Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect our store we created with FitPrint and Printify. I'm going to show you how to add that to any website you want and get it live. Everything we're offering today is free. You're only having to pay money anytime you make a sale. So this is a free way to get an online e-commerce print-on-demand store on your website in a matter of minutes. So let's jump right in. Okay, today I'm going to use software called Mobirise. Mobirise is just a very easy to use website editor. You can download it, it's a free download. They offer themes at other prices, but we're just going to use the basic themes and upload it to a GitHub account. You know, again, GitHub accounts are free. So I just want to show you how an online store will look in any custom website you want. So let's get started. I'm going to launch Mobirise from my desktop. I'm going to create a new site. I'll just use one of these other themes. Sure, we'll create that site. Okay, let's get started. So this will be our home page. You can add a menu bar, so we'll add a menu bar up top. You can add a big picture, right? You can add features. This is just drag and drop stuff. But like any website builder out there, FitPrint is going to work on Wix. It'll work on WordPress. Anywhere we can drop an HTML code, you can have your online store in there in no time. And then let's go ahead and add a footer at the bottom. Sure, this one. Okay, so this is our home page, right? Looks super cool. But, you know, I'm an influencer, right? Influencer. I influence things. Okay, so now we're going to add a new page. Okay, we're going to create our merchandise page. I'm just going to add a blank page. Call it merch. Check. Okay, so this is our menu. Let's see. I'm going to configure the menu. Menu items on. Okay. Oh, there we go. We are simply going to have one other page, which is going to be our merchandise page, which is this one. So call this merch. And we are going to make it link to our merch page. Okay. And then we're going to go back to our home page, see if that updated. Okay. Again, we should change this, right, to I am an influencer, right? And here you can drop in our logo. Oh. Downloads, this is all from this Adobe Spark. Again, everything we've used today is 100% free. So I'm an influencer and we have a merch link. Okay, the merch page is just going to be blank because we're going to have to edit the HTML ourselves. But I just want to show you guys what it's going to look like on a live website. Okay, so this looks good. We have a home page and a merch page. This is the footer, this is the header, so our store is going to fit right in between that. So we'll go ahead and click publish. We're going to use GitHub pages. I'm going to do I'm an influencer 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and let's click publish. If you're not familiar with GitHub pages, it's just a free way to create a website hosted within GitHub. Super easy. You can't specify your custom URL, but this is just a good way to get your website up quickly and looking. Sometimes it takes a little time for this to load, so in the meantime I'm going to head over to GitHub and edit the source code of the page that we're going to have to update to get our merchandise to pull from FitPrint. So I'm an influencer 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to have a branch called GitHub Pages. So this is going to be our merchandise page right here. So you can see you've got a nav bar, and then this is the footer section. So you got footer, which is this part, and then you've got the nav bar, which is this section. So let's see if this loaded yet. All right, cool. So here's our I'm an influencer page, right? And then we've got our merchandise page. So there's nothing in here right now, but this is a live website. You can go to it right now. It'll be there. So we'll start by going into our GitHub account. And we're going to edit this HTML. Like I said, we're going to drop a new section in between the header and the footer. Now, a lot of the other code editors like Wix and WordPress that are out there, they're going to have HTML you can just drop in. So this is a little more involved, but it's the quickest way I can show you on how a store will look inside of a live website. So I've added a new section tag. I'm going to go back to FitPrint. I'm going to check this embed code. Just going to copy everything in here. Oh, but we're going to want to hide the header. See, so this is the header. Since it's embedded, I don't want that header to show up anymore. You just click hide header, and it's going to update your embed code here. I'm going to copy that, go back into our GitHub, just drop that right into the section, and then I'm going to commit my changes. So now that our changes have been committed, let's go ahead and navigate. We'll use a new private window just to make sure the cache is cleared. So here's our website. And I'm going to click on the merch button. And now you can see our store section is loading. And here's our store. You see the store fits nicely. Looks like it's kind of natively built into the site already. You can match your colors if you had the different colors up there. Right, everything looks like it all belongs. You got your coffee mug. Everything acts normally. It even converts down to mobile views, right? If we're gonna render this page mobily. So now we got the hamburger menu. It's gonna look great on mobile devices. And your store is 100% ready to go. So, thanks for following along. This is just a quick online demo on how to add an online store to any website you want, just by copying some embed code using FitPrint and Printify. All right, thank you for following along. Feel free to reach out, drop some notes in the comments. If you need any stores designed, we offer website design services, anything like that. Reach out to us at fitprint.io. Yeah,